Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, we're diving into the hottest video trends that Filipinos are loving right now. If you're a fan of YouTube or any video platform, you'll definitely want to check out these trending video types. Ready to discover what's popular in the Philippines? Let's get into the top 10 Filipino video trends you need to know about. Let's get started. 10. Gaming and sports. Gaming, let's plays, game reviews, and gaming news, particularly for popular games. And sports are engaging for the gaming community. 9. Current events and commentary. Videos discussing recent news, political developments, and social issues offer analysis and personal perspectives. 8. Beauty and fashion. Makeup tutorials, skincare routines, fashion hauls, and style tips are popular, especially from influencers and beauty gurus. 7. Travel and adventure. Content showcasing travel destinations, local attractions, and adventure activities, both within the Philippines and abroad. 6. Fitness and wellness. Exercise routines, fitness challenges, and wellness tips are of interest to those looking to improve their health and lifestyle. 5. Educational content. Tutorials and how-to videos on various subjects, including academic topics, language learning, and practical skills, are increasingly popular. 4. Music covers and performances. Videos of local artists covering popular songs, live performances, or original music content attract a lot of views. 3. Entertainment and comedy. Skits, parodies, and comedic content often featuring local humor and celebrity impressions resonate well with Filipino audiences. 2. Food and cooking. Videos showcasing recipes, food reviews, and cooking tutorials, particularly those featuring local cuisine or food trends. And the last is vlogs. Daily or travel vlogs featuring personal experiences, adventures, and lifestyle content are very popular, especially from well-known local vloggers. And that's a wrap on the top 10 video types Filipinos are loving today. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite video type. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.